Kuya.
The train, see the rails here? Where the train goes. Boom, boom, boom. And then, I said you were closer to the map. You want to go on the tram, Phil? Go for a ride? Okay, sit down. He said there's a little hut that's across from the penguins. Yeah, a hut would be like what you have in Africa, so it'd be like a grass roof.
Ayun.
Yep, that's perfect.
Flamingo. Michael, your favorite flamingo.
Seems like they have
Michael, your favorite flamingo. We're gonna
they have a
see.
lot of workers here.
We're gonna see a flamingo. Michael's favorite flamingo. Let's go na. Over there, look at that flamingo. That is helicopter, anak. Helicopter.
That's why you're so beautiful.
Yeah, the job is like
Train is that way, yes. Oh, that's not it.
Look at that.
The tram, but yeah, I think it's $3.
$6.
$3.
$3? I want to ride that for the kids too.
Right. There's a tram and then there's a train, and I think that's the tram.
How are you guys about to go this way?
We're gonna see flamingo first, please.
Okay.
Oh, Michael, your favorite flamingo. Sophia, flamingo. Your favorite.
Flamingo.
Yeah, they're
Yay! Oh, go see the flamingo. Your beloved flamingo is here, and you're gonna see it closer. Look at that, so cool. Oh, see the flamingo. Oh, go see flamingo. Look at that, they're so close. Oh wow, I love it.
Flamingo!
Do you want to work this way?
Flamingo!
Yes? Come this way.
Okay, ready?
In the 1890s, Milwaukee County Zoo opened as a small mammal and bird display in Washington Park. In 1958, it moved to its current day location, where it opened to the public 3 years later. As of right now, the Milwaukee County Zoo spans 190 acres and is home to 2,200 animals
Quiet, anak, we need to listen.
350 species.
Wow.
Our first feathered friend is coming up on our right. We have our Caribbean and Chilean flamingos. You can greet these beautiful birds as you head inside to our aviary. Here you can take part in a Wild Connections encounter where you get to hand the birds their favorite food, fish.
Fish.
On our left consists of our Peck Welcome Center. If you're looking for a unique location to host your next special event, the zoo offers a variety of indoor and outdoor venues, just like this one, that are perfect for your next group function. This building is also home to our apes of Africa. Our western lowland gorillas and bonobos call this rainforest the aesthetic home.
It's a Zoom train.
If you look ahead and to the right, you will find our Japanese macaques, also known as snow monkeys. We are soon approaching our primate plaza stop. If you'd like to get a closer look at our primates inside the primate building, or perhaps catch a virtual reality experience on the macaque deck, this is a great time to pop off. If this is not where you want to head off and you'd like to continue on, just hang tight for a few seconds while we wait for some new people, and we'll be on our way shortly.
Hoy, sit down. We're not going in.
Sit down.
$3 was
Just like this one, that are perfect for your next group function. This building is also home to our apes of Africa. Our western lowland gorillas and bonobos call this rainforest themed setting home.
This is a Zoom train.
If you look ahead and to the right, you will find our
It's so bumpy. Stay.
The primate building on your left is the zoo's first building, and it's home to some of our most popular residents, including siames, spider monkeys, and orangutans. This outdoor habitat coming up on your left is home to our two endangered orangutans, Tommy and Alex. The rooms that you see inside the habitat are made from repurposed fire hoses, which are perfect for supporting the weight of our orangutans as they swing around. Up the hill to the right is the curator house. Our zoo's animal division has 4 curators and their team of zookeepers. We also have our own animal hospital and vet team on zoo grounds. Just next door is our aquarium and reptile center, also called the Ark. Inside displays a fascinating underwater world that features a 28,000-gallon Pacific Coast aquarium and a variety of fish. But don't miss the 20 species of Wisconsin fish swimming around in our center exhibit, Lake Wisconsin.
This is stop.
You might get an aquarium reptiles. You might go to giant Pacific octopus.
Hi, kids.
See the man?
Our aquarium and reptile center is also home to many beautiful reptiles and amphibians like poison dart frogs, anacondas, Chinese alligators, and my personal favorite, danger noodle, the king cobra. The zoo consists of 3 different organizations working together: the Milwaukee County Zoo, the Zoological Society of Milwaukee, and Service System Associates for the SSA Group. Combined, we have approximately 150 full-time employees and can have up to 300
wave,
staff during our business.
Wait, Michael. Hi.
Our concession partners, the SSA Group, provide us with concession options like Wild Burger on your left. They utilize local suppliers to offer sustainable and environmentally friendly food options for all of our guests.
Small mammals here.
I see.
Next up on
You
your
see,
right
yeah.
is the Small Mammals Building.
Small mammals.
Split into 2 sections, one for animals of the day and one for animals of the night. Our nocturnal animals are on a reverse.
Oh, we're going down now.
Most active during our daytime hours.
Be careful, not hold it.
If you walk past the Small Mammals Building, you'll be thrust back 5,000 years into the past to visit an international cast of extinct mammals for Journey to the Ice
Hello,
Age.
at the
This
back.
experience is brought to you by Dino Dawn and sponsored by Sendix. We are now making our way down to the lower portion of our zoo. This area is mainly organized by geography, so we will see animals from North and South
Oh, there's a
America,
train, I
Asia,
see.
and Africa.
See somebody?
The real train
Starting
up
in
there.
North America, on our right we have our North American river otter.
Yay.
Enjoy a 10,000-gallon pool,
Oh, yeah.
specially designed otter slide. Just across from them, you'll find West End Snacks,
yeah.
where you can try our Go-Libs and
You can
Ices.
ride that.
We are now approaching our West End stop.
You can ride
This is
that.
also the location of our pre-ticketed and member parking lot. If this is where you'd like to head off, you may do so to the left. Otherwise, remain seated and we'll be on our way shortly.
Yes, stay.
So that's where the train goes.
Let's go, Michael. Michael, finish your pizza, anak. Go to the left. Gi. The.
Mama, don't
Yes?
turn around.
Michael, we need to follow tita mo. Why? Look at that camera. Big camera. Look at that. That's nice camera. Expensive. Saan na yun si Dan? Nasaan na naman yun? Palaging nawawala. Train na po. We are not. Ay, andun pala yung train. We are not, anak. We are not gonna ride a train. But it's cool. But it's cool to ride it. Huh? Peacock? Oh. Hi, Peacock. Where's your tail? Your long tail is gone? Michael, be nice to the peacock. Michael, don't go too close to the peacock. Michael, be gentle.
Bye, Peacock.
Bye-bye, peacock. Oh, bye-bye, peacock na.
Bye, Peacock.
Bye, peacock. Michael, good look at that wagon. Go over there, picture. Picture in there. Dion, wait. Okay, go inside. Dion, go in the wagon. Gasoline. Oh, go and climb, anak. Picture. All right, let's go. Oh, a horse.
We're gonna go see some of the animals.
Okay, let's go. Cole's Wild Theater. Oh, let's go the animals. The hat! Ruti! Hat! Nalaglag! Animal encounter. Michael, this way. Yeah, there is.